So what we're going to do is we want to show Dell how we make a cart. We want to show it in 30 seconds. Dell, we want to show you guys how we make our carts. We do it the best in the business.
We have automated blanking and laser capacity, runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
After we cut the steel, we form the metal in punch presses or Senor Savanini.
We have computerized quality control. We do quality control throughout our process. We robot weld 90% of all of our products.
So we can make a paint change in 10 seconds. So any color you want, it's yours.
We have big OEM customers, T-Mobile, on demand, when they want it.
Once it's painted, it comes off the line, it's assembled. We're set up to do any cart at any volume at any time.
Our product is made to order, ready to ship, and it will withstand shipping LTL without damage.
We truly appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. We will not disappoint.